What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to increase the battery life of your phone, how to make it stay longer, and what to do after each update, after each major update, for example from One UI 7 to One UI 8 or 8.5, what you should do to speed up your phone first, and secondly to increase the battery life. I will show you an example of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Following those steps, you will increase your battery life and decrease the lags of your phone after each update. So first what you need to do is to disable your device. So just hold two buttons here, hold power button and button down. Then you have restart, power off. You need any laptop or any other device, USB cable here. So what you need to do is to connect your cable, turn off your device, connect to any like Windows device, for example, or MacBook. So I've connected. And after this, to enter the recovery mode, it's you must connect to some device and then press volume up and power on button. Wait a bit until you will see it's loading to recovery. Okay, holding. Okay, now just put it off and wait until the recovery will be loaded. Okay, so you see Android recovery. Okay, then I think you can disconnect the cable. Okay, you see Android recovery, you have a wipe data, a factory reset. You can select by the buttons here, so don't worry, your data will be saved. As you see in the recent update, Samsung removed the options of wipe cache partition here. So actually I will not do it. In case you have the previous version, you just select with your buttons, just select the wipe cache partition here, click yes, and it will be wiped and power off. So in my case it's not available, and I think for majority the newest Galaxy phones, especially S series, is not available. For old phones it's still working. So after this you click on reboot system now and wait until the system will be booted. After a phone is booted, what you need to do is to open the phone app and type this combination. It will open a generic menu here. What you need to do is to find the battery stats reset. Click on this button, so the battery stats reset done, and actually to reset your battery statistics and improved the battery usage. After this, you need to download an app. This app called, I will show you, is APK Mirror. You can find on this website, or you can find Galaxy Store's official Samsung app. So it's called Samsung Galaxy App Booster. It's already downloaded. We'll click again to install it. So that's how it looks like, and it will be installed very fast. It's a really minor app. After it's installed, you open the app. So as you see, App Booster is checking your what it can be optimized, and then you can optimize 629 app, no other settings. You have these tips. And it's written here that we suggest you run Galaxy App Booster right after its upgrade and after that once per week to maximize performance. So actually what you need to do is what it will improve up to 15% performance and runtime approximately 15 minutes more. So click optimize, and actually once it's over, your phone will be fully optimized. After each update I suggest to follow all the 3 steps, and your phone will have better battery life and better performance during the usage.